Doggy. This is Andrea from Loving Ivy Farms. Just wanted to say my goats are really weirding out on me. It's been threatening to rain all morning, and it sprinkled maybe a little bit, and that's all it did. Then it started having some blue skies coming, and no sooner than I let my goats out to do munch time, and it started raining. And my goats aren't coming in. They're not running away from it. I am totally surprised. For real. Normally, my goats are like any other normal goat. They don't like getting wet. And mine decided they'd rather eat and then go back in. So, they're all over there. And I'm so happy that it has decided to rain. We have needed rain. Oh my gosh. I can't even remember the last time it really rained. It's been a while. The ground is really, really hard. So I guess as long as my goats want to stay out, I'll let them stay out. I'm not sitting in it. I'm sitting underneath the eaves. Flies all bothering me, but they're happy. They're out. Just kind of a goat 102. Normally, goats do not like getting wet. And normally I don't like my goats getting wet if there's a chance that it'll get really cold. Because a wet, cold goat equals pneumonia. And you don't want that. But I just let them out and it started to rain. Then it started letting up. So I guess it's going to kind of do it like this. So rain, let up, rain, let up. But those clouds look pretty heavy. So fingers crossed we'll get a good drink for all our plants and everything. There's another reason why I was going to do this video and I totally forgot. Huh? Gosh, I hate getting old. Anyhow, they're over there. I wonder if I can walk through the drops. What is that? Is that the big boom? Yeah, here it comes again. It's so, I love the sun, but I'm so happy. It's raining, yay! But the way my goats are behaving, this tells me that their dry lot area, that I need to move that fence because they've pretty much eaten everything down in there. If they will actually stay out in the rain, I'd go out there, but I don't have an umbrella, so my phone would get all wet. Most of them are over there underneath the trees. Normally they don't stay up in this area because of my friend's barking dogs, but they're inside because of the rain. So I guess as long as they decide to stay out, I'll sit here and watch them. I'm getting wet. Might pause it a couple times to say, I don't know, show you what it's like when they do run for cover. Hold on a second. Okay, here comes the old lady, Miss Feline. I guess she's decided she's had enough. Are you going in, Miss Feline? You want to go in? Okay. Alright. I'll take her in. Alright, got Miss Feline put up. She's my doe. She's one of my senior does. She's been having a little rough year this year dealing with the barber pole and all that. I'm starting to get wet just sitting here. Dagnabbit. I could make them all come. What do you think, Ranger? If we just kind of give up on this right now. Think they had enough for a little bit. Goats are, let's see this place. They're not like how you see horses, where you see horses out in pasture eating pretty much all the time. Goats eat, and then they'll lay down and chew their cud for a bit, and they'll get back up and eat. Repeat. On and on like that. Their metabolism, goats have a very high metabolism. Oh, now I remember what I was going to talk about. A lot of people have been asking about the heat affecting milk production, and I want to say yes. If it's extremely hot, it will affect the milk production of your goat, your cow, your horse, all of them. It also affects egg production as well. Your chickens will stop laying as much if it's too hot. I always encourage them to drink more water to keep them from getting dehydrated. Also, make sure that you check and make sure that, nutrition-wise, they're getting the correct nutrition, minerals, and fresh water, not stagnant water that's turned brown or green with algae. They don't like that. A little bit of apple cider vinegar in it will encourage any animal to drink more because they like the taste. So that's my tidbit, and I am ready to go in now. I think we're done. Are we done? I want to see if I can call him in without having to go out in the rain. Goaty, goaty, goaty! Yeah, goat! Yeah, goat! Come on, goats! Goaty, goaty, goaty! Bring him up! Okay. Ah! Hey, goats! Goaty, goaty, goaty! Bring him in! Bring him in! Come on, Ranger! There, goats! All right, bring him in. Come on. Hey, goats, move. They're standing in the gate. All right, there you go. One more. All right. Talk to her from Kentucky. Love y'all.